Hey everybody. So, Sam's has chicken on sale, 92 cents a pound. So we got a bunch of thighs and legs. And what I'm going to do is we are going to render the fat from the chicken. So you want to peel all the skin off. And then I'm going to get my kitchen scissors and we're going to take a lot of this fat off. And then I'm going to bake the thighs. And this is going to be for a recipe that we're going to can. And I'll surprise you with that after I do this part. So after I trim all the fat off of those, I will bake these until they're cooked. For that recipe. But that recipe won't work if we don't have the chicken fat. And I've already filled the freezer with baggies of legs and some thighs. Excuse me. The recipes only calls for 3 cups of chicken, so tedious. I hope y'all are doing okay out there with everything going on. I guess I could come back after I finish peeling and trimming the fat off of these thighs. So I will do that. I'll come back when I'm trimming some of that fat off. How can I do this without contaminating my camera? Okay, so we have our skin and fat in there, and I'm going to add 2 quarts of water. That was a lie. 1 quart of water. And then I'm going to keep some water to the side here. I'm going to stir this up. And this is Schmaltz. Use it in a lot of Jewish cooking. And we're just going to let this on a low heat, just like you would lard. Render all the fat. So when we get going, I will come back and show you what we have going on. So I'll see you in a little bit. So here is our chicken fat rendering so far. I also added the juices that came from the chicken thighs that I had in the oven. They had no seasoning because they'll get seasoned when they're turned into deviled chicken. This will be for a copycat recipe. So just let it keep rendering, and then we'll strain it and put it in the refrigerator, and if there's any water left it will go to the bottom, but if you can, you want to cook out all the water. So just wanted to check in. This is what it'll be looking like. So see you in a few. Okay, so this is starting to want to make cracklings. So that means there's no water in there. I'm going to strain that, and then I will let it continue on. I will add some more water, let it render, and then turn that into cracklings. But I want to get that fat out before it turns all brown. Hot right here. My tortillas. Put that strainer in there. Do it as safely as possible. So there we have it. Our nice yellow clear Schmaltz chicken fat. So that will be for a canning recipe I'm going to do, and you can just store that in the refrigerator or let it cool down some and pour it in ice cube trays, and then you can put them in the freezer. So I just thought I'd share that since I already had to do it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.